Hi there, I'm going to show you how to insert comments in your Google Sheet. The first way is you're going to click on the cell that you want, go up to the insert menu, and then go all the way down to comment. And this will populate a box where you'll be able to comment. If you want to directly send a comment to someone, you would at and then put their email in. Next, you can click a cell, right click on it, and go down to comment. That's the second way. Write your little message in. Once you hover over everything, you'll be able to see the messages populate for each cell. The third way, you can hit Control Alt M and you'll be able to insert a comment that way. Now, the last way is going up to the little menu where you'll see next to the chain link for linking, there is add a comment, and you'll just click that and you'll be able to add a comment to your spreadsheet. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find them to be helpful too. Bye.